Hello BFF, welcome back to our channel Swiss Beauty Cosmetic. This is Mayur, your favorite makeup experts. Let's create Independence Day look with the amazing product from Swiss Beauty. Today we are creating the eye look with Swiss Beauty Colour Me Happy Eyeliner. So I'm using 4 shades from the most popular eyeliner from Swiss Beauty, that's Colour Me Happy Eyeliner. So let's create. First I'm taking the orange pencil from Colour Me Happy Eyeliner. So this pencil I'll create the entire my eyelid, and the help of my finger I'll start blending, and you can see how pigmented this pencil is. Next I'm using white pencil from Colour Me Happy Eyeliner, and I'm putting this pencil on my water eye line to create proper flag. Third pencil again I'm taking from Colour Me Happy Eyeliner, and it's a green color. I'm adding this shade on lower lash line to create a proper flag color. To complete this flag I'm using blue also on lash line. I hope you like this video. To create this beautiful flag, I use Swiss Beauty Colour Me Happy Eyeliner, and you can also buy from Swiss Beauty Cosmetic. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you so much. I'll see you soon, guys.